Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So I received a message, an alarm on MicroStrategy. Let me check. Also, Coinbase. So we have an A, a B, and a C1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could completed the C wave. Actually, this should be like this. And that was a diagonal. So I honestly find that we really completed all the counts now for the moment. And we are working. So we completed this move up. Either you count it as a 1, 2, a 3, and a 4. And we did have diagonals. And this is a diagonal for the fifth wave in light blue. If that is the case, then we're going to have a deep A, B, C. Okay. So that's one. The other one is that I count this as an A, a B, and a C. And honestly, this also reached the 1-to-1 ratio. So also that's done. Oops, did something else. And as you can see now, we are into correction mode. Just want to check if this is updated properly. Pretty much good. So we do have a gap here, and this could be just the A. I think yesterday or 2 days ago I was saying it would have been nice to have a B wave, but we didn't have it. Sometimes it does happen when you have a strong correction. And now this could be really already the end of the A wave, because we must have reached the 0.22. Yeah, so we did. So that's why I removed it yesterday or 2 days ago. I am not even sure if I can do micro counting. This is crazy a little bit. This could have been maybe a 1, 2. I already did it, did I? Let me recycle them. 1, 2 still good. The 3 now I'm going to place it here maybe. And this was the 4. And this is the 5th. So this movement should be almost done, and we should see a correction to the upside, I would say shortly. How many A do I have? I think that I can remove. And yeah, I'm going to stick with this one. Now, I am not sure about this count though. And once again, this is kind of micro counting on the 1 hour. Market, it's closed during, it's only open 7 hours. So we're missing data here. That's why it's very choppy. But this could be the A wave. I'm pretty much sure now if I go on the 4 hours and RSI should be oversold. Yes, it is. So, I am looking for a bounce now. Let's calculate the level for this B wave, potentially. So I could almost leave this one. I'm gonna add the 0.5 fib retracement and go to put it in red. All right, so let's see if we do have a reaction in this level here when the price goes higher. If it go higher than 410, then I would say, okay, maybe something more bullish is happening. But otherwise, if we see a reaction here and continue to go lower, then we need to expect the C wave to form and possibly maybe going near the $251. That would be nice. That's another nice level accumulation, but maybe it will not go there. So 287, maybe it's already a good price. I don't know if we ever reach it. Now, yeah, yesterday hot is because Canadian market was closed, so that's why it's kind of, because I was checking how come there is an asterisk here, and I don't even know what's the holiday in Canada of yesterday. So for here, I was saying this was the top of wave 1 now. This could be already the beginning of the correction. So maybe this was the A, the B. Obviously yesterday we missed some data, so maybe now we're working into this C wave. Let's see if it reacts to this level. This is a count more bullish, but it's in red because it's kind of my secondary. Yeah, it's the most bullish one, but I'm not sure. The one I find is more maybe probable is like all this is now a wave, and we're doing a B wave, and maybe price is going to make a deeper correction. We shall see. Now, MicroStrategy, I got an alarm. Why? Oh yeah, this fellow here. Okay, so for MicroStrategy, once again, this is a little bit annoying. You would think that, you know, this would have been already, but you see, this one too was so shaky because the wave 2 was so deep that it wasn't, kind of weird to count this as a 1-2, and you can see that it kind of failed, right? So now I count this as an A, B, C, but we could have said this is a wave 1 and this is a wave 2. Once again, it's going so deep that when it started to go up, I did say, let's be cautious. Maybe it's going to make a B wave, and then actually it went to almost the limit a B wave can go. And oh yeah, so I'm sticking with my theory now that this is the A, this is the B, and we are doing the C. Now, we could be done, but honestly, at this point, I wouldn't be surprised if, let me move that on the left side more. If we do reach the $342, we have the MA 200 and 0.382 fib retracement, so it's like, to round it up, 342, 342.75. Yeah, I find it's a nice level here. Let's see if the market is generous enough to give us MicroStrategy at that price, and then after that we can push for the last leg up, 652, but I will start to take a little bit some profits a little bit earlier. The previous peak is 548, so, you know, do your own due diligence. Is there something else I want to check? Ah yeah, quickly, NDA. So NDA is going for a bigger correction. This fourth wave now start to be a little bit too deep. I still give a little bit of a chance because it was a diagonal. And this was, man, I need to label more my things. Okay, so this fourth wave is making a reset now. But worst case scenario, once again, it could be that this was an A, this is the B, and this is the C for a bigger bigger wave A. And now we doing, maybe here was the A, this is the B, and now we're going to do a C, and that's going to be a B wave, and the final count for this one is going to be an A, a B, and a C. And that's going to be the end of the market. Now, I know $12 would be fantastic, but we're very far from there. So let's keep our hope low. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.